How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel Take and Make. I'm glad you're here. In this episode we're gonna test and review new LaserPecker Laser LP5. Let's open up this box and see what's inside. And inside we have another box. This machine was sent to me for free for my honest review. Just look how well everything packed. Love it. USB cable, power adapter, power cable, mysterious box. Oh, goggles. Also came with this material pack, cutting plate, exhaust pipe for fumes, safety hood, tower, and the laser head itself. Oh, that's pretty heavy. Let's assemble these three pieces together. Pretty straightforward. This is the plate everything is sitting on. That's the tower. Gets bolted like this, and then laser got screwed like that. Alright, let's plug it in. Let's see what's in material pack. Oh wow, quite a bit of stuff actually. So we got two wooden keychains, two brass coins or medallions, a piece of leather, slate caster, and a piece of stainless steel. That's awesome. Piece of anodized aluminum, one thicker, two thinner, two pieces of plywood. Also one is like 1 mil, one is like 2 mil. So we can experiment. That's dope. Okay, laser is assembled. They also sent me this air purifier. So let's open this up, connect it to the laser and get to some testing. There is some fancy filter. Alright, so here's how it works. This is gonna connect to this exhaust, and this top one is inlet. So it's gonna come here. And this one come here. And this one is outlet. This one I just gonna open my garage door a little bit and put it under. And once it's on, you can adjust the airflow. Four settings for max. Alright, let's go ahead and launch LaserPecker Design Space. And we're gonna engrave a cat. Connect the device using USB. Laser gives us signal, and now we see it's connected. We click on this image, laser engraving, Resolution, we can use 1K. Laser frequency, let's put 30. 1 pass. Power 50. Depth 20. Size, can make it a little bigger. If it's 58, let's try 80. And it automatically change the height if width is 80. Now we hit preview. I was already practicing before, as you see. Engrave the cat on top of a platform. I was practicing on a little card like this, and I don't know why, but it got moved. Probably with fan hitting so hard. So we'll probably have better luck with this bigger piece. Put this shield back. Now we can click exit, preview, and laser engrave and confirm. Plug in our fan and turn on our air purifier. And this supposedly come in clean air. I can still smell a little scent of engraving, but I definitely don't see any smoke coming from that. So air purifier works for sure. And our cat engraving is going pretty good. Nice and quick. Done. Let's take a look. It's not bad. Looking pretty cool. Okay, let's try to engrave something on the plywood. We'll try to engrave our channel logo. So here on LaserPecker website you can choose LP5, basswood plank 1 mm, power 27, depth 33. So let's go ahead and try those settings. Adjust our focus. Now we see just one dot. And we're ready to engrave. Exit preview. Laser engraving. Confirm. That's awesome. There would be so much smoke in here right now if I didn't have this air purifier. Done. That looks really nice. Take and make, baby. Let's try to make another logo. Experimental one. I made it with AI. Lower. Cover. Laser engraving. Confirm. Yeah, zero smoke. That's awesome. That also looks super cool. Love it. And it didn't take long at all. Take and make. And do everything with love. Right on! Our next victim is gonna be this little piece of slate which come in a kit. Let's throw it in. Preview. Adjust it. Yes. That didn't take long time at all. I love it. Don't you love how that cat is staring now? Hey kitty, 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 kitty. Let's see if we can cut out one of the circles. Let's give it a go. Oh crap. Wow, I see fire there. Did it burn through? Did it burn through? Not quite. For the most part it did cut through. We'll try one more on this other circle. Okay, now it did get through. Nice and simple. That's awesome. Okay, let's try one more. So first we're gonna engrave this image. Standard general ready mix. We have power 30, depth is 33 for 450 laser. And then we also have a frame, rectangle. We're gonna cut it out. And we have power 96 and depth 91. Let's hit laser engraving, confirm. Action, baby. Done deal. Looking pretty cool. Let's try to cut 3mm plywood. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, 3mm, no problem. I mean, it took a little longer, but I think this one is my favorite compared to these three. Love it. Okay, let's try to cut leather. I'm not sure that this is real leather, so let's see. Got a little bit of fire going on there. Didn't quite cut through. Almost. Gonna increase a little bit settings. But overall quality is really good. We'll do one more. Let's do our channel logo. Let's take a look. That looks nice. Wow, so much detail. It's like a little 3D. That is definitely a success. We're gonna try to engrave this aluminum anodized plate one more time. Alright, our next victim going to be this nice and thick piece of leather. This is probably 3 mils. I've heard from other people online that when you're working on thick leather like this, it's smoking very badly. Just to eliminate it a little bit, you can spray it with water and then it's gonna smoke less. So let's try that. Not exactly perfect. I think I gotta play with settings a little more, but still kinda looking pretty cool. And didn't cut through. Let's try if we can increase that. Now I see some flames and it's going much slower and lots of smoke. Just look how well this ventilation works. You guys think we cut through this time? Oh yeah, yes we did. Yes we did. Okay, after like an hour of experimenting, I think I come with the best settings to my liking anyway, which is this last image. 2K resolution, power 45, depth 45, one pass. Nice and deep engraving without burning. Alright guys, let's engrave some more slate coasters. Wow, look at these beauties. So far this is my most favorite creation. I bet you these would sell. They look so awesome. Absolutely love it. Our next victim will be this piece of stainless steel. Let's see what we can engrave on this. And we're gonna try to engrave my channel's logo again. That's pretty cool. Look at that sparkling fireball. That's pretty cool. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap this video up. I've been practicing and experimenting quite a bit on a bunch of different materials, and this laser is really quick and powerful. You can customize all sorts of materials: metals, plastic, wood, leather, slate. You can start customizing some stuff that you already make and come up with a new product even with this laser. That's the second product that they sent me already. Before I had LP4. Whichever model you're gonna get to choose, I recommend you this brand LaserPecker. Really nice quality and you won't be disappointed in the results. I'm gonna leave you a link in the description where you can go ahead and take a look at the specs and decide you wanna buy it or not. Thank you very much for those who watched to the end of this video. I appreciate that. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. That's it for this one, and I will see you in next one. Bye now. God bless.